Do you know what makes the F-35 Lightning II the ultimate game-changer in modern warfare? First, its stealth technology is next level. Its sleek design and radar-absorbent materials make it almost invisible to enemy radar, allowing it to slip through defenses with ease. Second, its sensor fusion capabilities are like having superpowers. It blends data from multiple sensors, including radar, infrared, and visual, giving pilots a 360-degree view of the battlefield that they can't get from any other aircraft. And third, the F-35 is a triple threat. It can perform air combat, ground strikes, and vertical landings on aircraft carriers. No wonder they call it the future of warfare.